Hi guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can download and configure the Norton security in your Android phone. And this method is applicable for all Android operating system. Either the operating system is for the Vivo, Oppo or Motorola or Samsung, any phones you have got, you can use the same method to get installed the Norton security in your phone. And guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and do subscribe the channel. So let's get started here. In order to get your Norton activated installed in your phone, first go to the Play Store and search for Norton. Then select the Norton mobile security. Okay, my data was off, so I'm just turning on the data here. So let me retry here, right? And then when you search for the Norton in the App Store, then it will automatically give you the suggestion Norton mobile security. So I will tap on that. Then it will give option here to install, as you can see. So I will go ahead and tap this install option, and now you can see it's waiting for download. And make sure guys, you already have purchased the Norton security, and if you have not purchased the Norton security, then you will have to get the subscription through the mobile itself. And if you have already the Norton subscription, that's very good, then you can directly install and sign into your account. So here you can see it's downloaded and it's installing now. It was almost a 25 gigabyte megabyte files. Now you can see the installation is completed, so I will just go ahead and open this up by clicking on open option. Now here you can see there are two checkbox coming up to agree with the term and conditions. So just tick both checkbox and then tap continue option. Now you can see it's coming up with the product details here. So as now here you can see try Norton mobile security free for 30 days. That means if you don't have the subscription, you can start the free trial, you can start the free trial from here. Or if you have the Norton subscription, then you can directly click on this sign in button, and you can see it's loading here. It will now redirect you to the login page of the Norton account. Now here you can see it's asking to sign in with the email address and the password. Now this is the email address and the password which you already have registered with the Norton security. If you don't have the Norton account, still you can go ahead and create the Norton account by clicking on creating an account option. Here you can see you can fill out your email address, create the password and sign in. So I already have the Norton account, so I will click on this sign in option and fill out the email address and the password. So let me get started here. So you can see guys, I just have logged in to my Norton account by filling it by entering the email address and the password. Now it's taking me to the Norton account and setting up here. As you can see, it's scanning the devices also here, the device of my phone here. Now you can see here that I have logged into my Norton account here, and you can see what kind of security I have got here. I have got the device security which is already installed. I have got the secure VPN, I got the password manager. So I have got almost everything which I could be expecting from Norton security, because my Norton subscription includes online cloud backup also. So I have got every protection. So this is the way guys you can get your security activated on your Norton on your mobile phone. And I think I have cleared everything in this video. If you still have any query, if you want to ask anything, you can go ahead and write in the comment and I will be there to answer. But here you can see I only have activated the Norton mobile security. If you want to get activated the secure VPN, you can click on this download option. If you want to have the password manager also, you can go ahead and click on this download option, as you can see, and you can install respectively. And if you want me to show you these downloads, how to configure the Norton secure VPN and the password manager on the mobile phone, I will create another video and you can watch there also. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and support our channel. Thank you.